I just love to reflect on how far music has taken me around the world, here to you in Kona, and all these songs, all these notes, all these rhythms, they come through us, you know? Not just through me, but through all of us. And we make ourselves open to it, we open our hearts to it, and we become the music. And the music becomes us, and it's alive. There's no artificial intelligence that could ever make music that's alive. Because here, in the moment we create this music with energy. There's no artificial intelligence that can feel this energy and move and groove together, create a song in the moment as one. So this is called Sweet Sound. This love in my heart to believe that heaven is not in the skies with me. But if I spend my time, hey, I'll be living in hell. So I've been praying for something to show my heart the one thing that now will show me. So all these songs I've been giving, oh, they show me that living is not so hard after all. They fill me up with light, tell me I'm wrong when I think I'm right, and pick me up every time I fall. Praises for I was putting for. I made my choice, I have got my voice, and I don't need nothing more. Oh, no. Cause patience is a virtue I've been hearing. But if I wait for the smoke to be clearing, I might waste my days away. Because tomorrow is just yesterday. A little bit later, I know it'll be greater. I live for today, yeah. So I'm running, hiding from the truth, boy. But as I lay me down, I hear the sweet, sweet sound. Don't need no proof, no. Troubles are washed away. I'm ready, Lord. I'm not ready no more. No negative, positive. Tell everyone there's good news here to stay.